Look at trees, grass and trees, and right. That's all you'll see on the whole. So the ones towards the front here, you see more grass. Now if you're all the way in the back, you won't see as much grass as you will. You and then
Okay.
bonus room closed in, or if you prefer more to outside, having that access to be able to go outside. And then also, like I said, the laundry room compared to the laundry room.
Full size also fits queen size and king size. There is a window as well. The other one is uncovered parking, so those are the covered carports. And this is the closet in the second bedroom. It has a few cupboards as well. And this is the bathroom. You are allowed to make a modification such as changing the water heads, putting nails, but you would have to close it back when you move out, otherwise it is charged extra. And so these are stainless steel in the upgraded apartments, otherwise it's black. So we have the microwave. This is the oven, which is electric. This is like a dishwasher.
Have a YouTube channel. We have all of our different floor plans on there as well. If you wanted to look at the different floor plans and then the different level renovations too.
Oh, okay. That's nice. So we can look at the 1100 thing as well.
It's like when it comes to lease signing in March. Okay, this is the main bedroom, and this one is again full size. Okay, there is an exit from the bedroom as well to the patio. The first floor guys, they have patio on the back. This is the HVAC unit. On the other side there is a small room with extra storage space. And the second floor guys, they have a little balcony, and in 1100 square foot there is an extra sunroom which can be used as a kids play area, but it is going to be 5 degree colder than the other rooms. Okay, it can be converted with much difficulty into a room. This is a walk-in closet, and this is the master bathroom.
What's the idea of private entrances? Hi. I am Alina. I am Rachel.
Pardon? No, I'm Denise.
Denise. Hi, Denise. I am Alina.